Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And hit the bell button to get notification.
YouTube can't add videos in playlist. Cannot put videos. How to do it? First go to channel dashboard. Then videos. Then select edit option. Select playlist. Put tick mark on existing playlist. Or make new playlist. If it doesn't work, then go to YouTube app. Go to Videos tab. Now, select video. Click on Edit tab. Click on Add to Playlist. Put tick mark on selected playlist. Done. Let's try on another video. Then select edit option. Little, scroll down. Select playlist. Put tick mark on selected playlist.